So at this advanced stage of my life, I haven't found too many good reasons to either enter or stay for a long period of time in the woods. Now don't get me wrong, I've been camping before, had an absolute fabulous time when I was a little younger. But most of us know the saying that nothing good happens after midnight. But I attribute that to the woods also, at any given time of the day normally. And what possibly exacerbated the situation was, at 10 years old, I started making my own choices at the video store. So I thought I'd pick up a video about camping in the outdoors.
God damn, you play a mean banjo. Hey, you want to play another one?
Damn, big mistake. Yep, one of our family members asked if I could do a trail ride, and we are about to oblige right now. So let's go. So this will be our second time filming this. The first time I had audio problem, and I'm not sure of the conditions in the trail, but I guess we'll find that out together. We've been getting a lot of rain, so this might be a short trip. Let's go. All right. So over normal terrain, yeah, it's a little bit wet in here, guys. So over normal terrain, not too bad. Getting our wheelies on. Tree roots, up water. Let's travel through this. See how far we can get before we have to stop. There's the red path. I'm gonna go straight, get some speed up. Whoa, a little sliding there. Okay, it's getting mighty wet back here, so we are gonna move back towards the front. It's getting kind of swampy. But let's see, we can pedal through this with no problem. Bugs are killing us, but anything for one of our subscribers. Whoa, mama. You scared me. And we come out the trail to this. It's a beautiful thing. All right, we gotta go before the bugs eat us up. All right, mama, we'll see you. So unfortunately, folks, that's gonna complete our journey in the trail. It's a little bit too wet for this, but my overall opinion is that the bike holds up well. As long as I don't have any flat tires or anything a little bit later when I check, everything was a success. At this point, you guys really don't need me to recommend this bike. You kind of know by now if it's right for you, and I'll tell you this, it's definitely right for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Then I want everybody to have a great day. Peace out.